This is how I shot my prime factorization string.
Yes. What'd you do first?
Okay. First I did 2 times 18 because that equals 36.
Why'd you circle the 2?
You did that.
Oh, why did I circle the 2?
So we could put them...
Why do you circle the 2? Buzz, buzz, buzz. 4 buzz.
Oh, because it's a buzz number.
Right, 2 times. Then you don't circle that because it's not buzz, right? So we're going to break that. And you did what?
I did 6 times 3 because 6 times 3 equals 18.
Okay, why'd you circle the 3?
Because it's a buzz number.
Shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the door. Go to the bathroom and shut the door. Okay, 3 times 2. Why did you circle the 3 and the 2?
Because they're both buzz numbers.
Right. So now you took all your circled numbers and you put them over here, right?
Right.
2 times 3 times 3 times 2. Which will end up being 36, and so does this. There's 2 2's, so there's 2 squared times 3 squared. Let's move to the next one, because no matter what you start with, 36 is going to have the same answer. Please test it, scoot back. Okay, explain what you did.
First I did 3 times 12, which equals 36. I circled 3 because that's a buzz number. And I multiplied 6 times 2.
Yes.
And I got 12, and I circled the 2 because that's another buzz number. Then I did 2 times 3, which equals 6, and I circled both of those because they're both buzz numbers. And I did 3 times 2 times 2 times 3, and
Why is this the same thing as that? 3 times 3 is the same thing as 3 squared, right? 2 times 2 is the same as 2 squared. You did a really good job. Okay, scoot back. Tess, explain yours.
First, I did 9 times 4, which equals 36, and I didn't circle them because those weren't buzz numbers. Then I did 9, and it led down to 3 times 3, and then I did 4, and it led down to 2 times 2, and then we had to do 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 equals 3 to the
Second
power times 2 to the second power.
That was really, really good. Okay, Skylar and Emily, explain your step.
Are we going to do it together? Okay. Ready, set, action.
Everybody over there,
We
please.
did 6 times 6, which equals 36. And then we tried to see what could go into 6, and so we figured out 3 times 2. And we did the same for this side. And then we did it all together, and we times it all together, and we circled that. And then we did 3 to the second power and 2 to the second power.
Okay, so no matter what you start with, underneath the 36, you do 6 times 6, 2 times 18, 3 times 12. No matter what you do, you always end up at the same answer at the bottom. And that's a prime factorization string.
So it's a prime factorization string.
Factorization.
Factorization.
Nice cut.